Okay, we're looking at Corolla, North Carolina, Whalehead Beach. And today is Friday, January 25th, 2013. And we can see readily a snowstorm right on the Atlantic Ocean in North Carolina. And that's kind of a scary sight. I think it's reached almost across the border to South Carolina. Pretty sure they're getting some of this stuff too. But you can see from the screen there's a lot of snow coming down. A lot of the stuff coming down here. No takers for sunbathing or surfing today. And I guess they won't be having a barbecue. Instead they'll be going to Subway for their 11-inch submarine sandwiches. Wow, what a sight. Coming down really thick on the ocean front. Corolla, North Carolina.